Speed blurring the world into watercolors, the dust clouds chasing us like a personal storm. This is the absolute opposite of a casual Sunday drive. No, this is the time to know rules. So let's properly introduce the star of today's show. This is not just a car. It is a four-wheel manifestation rebellion. It has a permanent out of office reply set for smooth highway and traffic light. Its only purpose? To find the line between adventure and absolute meme, and then gleefully drive right over it. Today, folks, we are conducting a very scientific experiment. The question, what happens when you give a machine way too much power? A suspension made of pure optimism and a complete disregard for the laws of physics. We are going to find the answer. Mountains? We are not just climbing them, we are challenging them to a duel. We are using them as launch pads. Physics will left the guy back to the loading screen. So chat, this is your official invitation to the chows. Get comfy, maybe grab a drink that's as strong as this car suspension, and let's see how far we can push the digital masterpiece before we literally break the game itself. Alright, first destination or itinerary. Absolutely nowhere we are embracing the philosophy of the lost. We have handed the wheel over to fate, and this car seems to have a severe allergy to anything that resembles a paved road. It's like it's got sixth sense for trouble, and it's leading us right to it. Just look at this. Drink it in. These rolling hills are just scenery. They are our playground. Those cliffs in the distance aren't warnings. They are invitations. The trees wiping past or just a green streak in our masterpiece of the madness. Question for you all in the chat. Have you ever taken a wrong turn and instead of turning back, you just lean into it? You decided to see where the universe was trying to take you. That's the vibe we are channeling today. Except our wrong turn involved a rocket booster and a complete lack of brakes. And can we appreciate the engineering for a second?
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा है.
This car is basically mountain goat that drank gallon espresso and got fitted within the turbocharger. Did you see that? That slope was practically vertical and it just digested it. The suspension on these things deserves a standing ovation. A slow clap, it's just not enough. It's eating these ones for breakfast. Speaking of engineering, let's pop the virtual hood for a minute and talk about what makes this best trick. The power under the hood is not just a measure of a horsepower. It's measured in, oh wow, I just saw my left flash before my eyes tonight. It's enough to probably make the earth spine a little faster. It was really tired, the suspension, we have briefly mentioned it. But let's get into it. It's not just soft. It is perpetual state of trampoline mode. We could probably drive over a literal pile of a Lego bricks, and the only thing that will shut up is the sole of the brake. The body roll, the less roll of a more casual, confident lean into Charles. And that exhaust note, listen to that, it's not noise, it's personality, it's somewhere between a lion's roar in the middle of the pride takeover and the final chord of a rock concert. It's the soundtrack of an open laps of fun. Here's the fun fact to melt your brain. Did you know the current real world record for a production car is over 490 km per hour? That is Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 plus car. Imagine that. Now imagine trying to pilot that 4 million hyperglass missile up this mountain we are on. The engineers would have a simultaneous heart attack. But this car, this digital demon, it wouldn't have even blinked. Okay, I'm becoming convinced this car has a soul, and its soul is 90% caffeine and 10% hold my beer. 1 minute we are having a serene moment cruising through a valley. The next minute it's decided it wants to be a cliff dweller, and we are halfway up a rock face. Who needs a road? Roads are suggestions made by people who haven't experienced the pure joy of creating your own path. Roads are for followers. We are out of our making your own map. A very confusing, bumpy, and a potentially explosive map. Chat, I'm reading your messages, and you are all my kind of people. Shout out. Who said this car is more airborne than any 747? You are not wrong. And who said the only few car needs to adrenaline poetry? So hypothetical question for you all. If this car could talk, what is the one thing it would be screaming right now? My guess? Send it. Gravity is a social construct or personal favorite. Did someone order to a side of Charles with the Charles? Also, I'm drafting the adoption papers and calling it air car. It was an identity issues. It thinks it's a helicopter. The mountain of airtime, we are getting this ridiculous. We are not just off-roading. We are low orbit flying with style. Drop a comment telling me your favorite moments, smash the like button so that algorithm shares our chows, and most importantly, tell me what we take this thing next time. Desert dunes, frozen tundra, an active volcano, or your imagination is the only limit until next time drive. Crazy, my friends.